At Bathshack, we're known for helping you create the bathroom of your dreams. But did you know we also have a whole lot more to offer? That's right, whether you're transforming your kitchen or updating your home's flooring, Bathshack has you covered with stylish and practical solutions beyond just bathroom products. Today, we'll take a tour of a recent AirBnB renovation to show a few more places Bathshack can help with home updates. Let's start with flooring. Bathshack offers a stunning selection of laminate and vinyl flooring that's perfect for every room in your home. Whether you're going for a sleek, modern vibe or a warm, rustic feel, we have designs to suit your style. In this Airbnb transformation, they opted to go with our Lusso Floor Mocha Oak Herringbone vinyl flooring, which is ideal for high traffic areas as it's waterproof and super easy to clean, while the herringbone design is on trend and looks amazing. To change up the look upstairs, they went with the Colorado Oak 12mm laminate flooring, which has a beautiful light wood effect for a real elegant aesthetic and the perfect backdrop to any decor style. Bathshack's vinyl and laminate floorings are durable, easy to maintain, and gives any space an instant upgrade. Looking to stay warm inside, our radiator range has something for everyone, from classic looks to contemporary statement pieces. These aren't just heating solutions, they're design elements that enhance your space while keeping things cozy. The Vertigo 1800 by 354 double panel radiator in anthracite provides excellent heat output, and the vertical design is great for space saving too. And for the heart of the home, the kitchen, we've got boiling water taps that combine convenience with cutting edge technology. Imagine having hot water instantly for tea, coffee or cooking, all while saving space and energy. It's a game changer for any modern kitchen. This particular design is the Alicia Ritchie Instant Boiling Water Tap in brushed brass. It has a child-safe spring lock, and the tank includes a carbon rod filter designed to absorb and remove calcium, magnesium, odour and dirt, so you're getting filtered boiling water. So whether you're redesigning your bathroom, updating your flooring, or giving your kitchen a modern twist, Bathshack is your go-to place for stylish home solutions. Head over to bathshack.com or visit one of our showrooms to explore all we have on offer. Be sure to click the first link in the description to find out more. Subscribe to Bathshack here on YouTube for more bathroom inspiration and advice. Shop luxury for less at bathshack.com.